Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Sonic headlight. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the battery negative terminal before you begin. Gather basic tools like a screwdriver and replacement bulb, and lay out a towel to protect painted surfaces. Keep the new bulb in its box until installation to avoid oils on the glass that can shorten lifespan. To reach the headlight, open the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly near the wheel well. Some models have a plastic cover or screws to remove, so keep a small tray for fasteners. Gently pull the assembly forward just enough to access the bulb socket without stressing wiring. Work in bright light and take photos of connector orientation to ensure correct reconnection later. Remove the bulb socket by twisting it counterclockwise and gently pulling the bulb free from the housing. Avoid touching the glass of the replacement bulb with bare fingers and wear gloves or use a clean cloth to install it. Reinsert the socket, twist to lock, and reconnect the battery to test the headlight function. If alignment or brightness seems off, recheck connections and ensure the bulb type matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.